On the top of the hill, adjacent to the stone fence, sits a Pope Farm Conservancy visitor favorite, a picnic spot complete with panoramic views. This spot is also special for another reason. It's where three watersheds, or river systems, meet: the Black Earth Creek, Yahara River, and the Sugar River. Each of these rivers has its own unique relationship to the previous glacier's ice sheet, making them distinct. Their river valleys carry water away in different directions, with the Black Earth Creek flowing west, the Yahara River flowing east, and the Sugar River flowing south. When snow, sleet, or rain fall within the Conservancy, the resulting water will travel in three different directions depending upon which slope it encounters. Water that falls on the north side of the hill will move north toward Black Earth Creek. From the crest of this hill and facing north, one can see the tall ski jumps of Black Hawk Ski Club. The main deep valley of Black Earth Creek is just to the north of Pope Farm Conservancy. The highest point at the farm, close to where the amphitheater is now, is 250 feet higher than the valley floor in Black Earth Creek. Today, the creek is a narrow, twisting, meandering stream that winds across the wide valley as it flows west to the Wisconsin River. But long ago, prior to the arrival of ice, Black Earth Creek was carved deeply into the bedrock, and the valley was much deeper than we see it today. With the Wisconsin glaciation, the glacier's meltwater lakes and massive flooding filled the valley with up to 100 feet of sand and gravel as the glacier's edge melted back out of the valley. Black Earth Creek would have resembled this modern braided stream in Alaska as the glacial meltwaters dispersed westward. Looking off to the east from Pope Farm Conservancy, you can see Pope Farm Elementary School, Lake Mendota, and the State Capitol building. This is the Yahara River Valley. Before the glaciers, the bedrock was carved into deep river valleys. When the ice sheet flowed over this area during the Wisconsin glaciation, the valleys were shaved and filled in by glacial till. The once deep Yahara Valley was completely filled, creating the four lakes of Madison: Mendota, Monona, Waubesa, and Kegonsa. Today, the modern Yahara River is nothing more than a stream connecting Madison's lakes. For thousands of years, these lakes and waterways were important to pre-settlement humans that lived and traveled through the area. The Sugar River flows south, away from Pope Farm Conservancy, roughly parallel to the Johnstown Terminal Moraine. The valley of the Sugar River extends both to the west of the Terminal Moraine into the driftless area and to the east into the glaciated landscape. Because of this, the Sugar River Valley has some similarities to both Black Earth Creek and the Yahara River. To the east, the landscape was scoured by glaciers, and glacial till was deposited across the land. Along its western stream, it contains valleys cut into the sandstone and dolomite. The modern stream systems and valleys of the area surrounding Pope Farm Conservancy bear the legacy of the Conservancy, being right at the spot between the glacial landscape to the east and the river-carved landscape of the driftless area to the west. When snow, sleet, or rain fall on the surface, the water will travel in one of three different directions as part of today's modern river systems.